Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and today I'm going to be unboxing Sugarbox's bestseller edition, and I was super excited looking at this one, and it's been a while since I tried Sugarbox. I think it's been a couple of months. I did review some of their boxes previously. You can check out those videos as well. I'll leave the link somewhere here. You can click on the I button or in the description box. So yeah, you guys know the love-hate relationship that I have with subscription boxes. I usually tend to try them and I don't end up loving all of them. Like, I hardly review any subscription boxes if you notice. Sugarbox is something I really like, and last time when I reviewed one of their boxes, somebody asked if it is a sponsored video. Before you get those questions, this is not a sponsored video. This is their bestsellers edition, and I was super excited looking at some of the products in the bestsellers edition, so that's the reason I thought I should definitely review this. But I was a little confused between this one and their Parisian chic or Parisian edition. So that one also has a really pretty floral top and a round handbag and some other things which I was excited about. So I was a little confused, but finally I went with this and I really wanted to purchase one of them. Like, there were 2-3 boxes which I was confused between. So anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know, and this is how the box looks. It comes in this cardboard packaging via courier, and yeah, they have this really cute bow, and you can use these boxes later. I've made a video where I showed you guys how you can store things in some of these boxes. I'll leave that link as well if you want to check it out. There's a card which says "Hello Gorgeous," and here also it says "Spoil Yourself Silly," and I really like the lavender bow actually. And once you open that, this is what you can see, and I'm already excited looking at this one. This is one of the things that I was super excited about. This is a tumbler which is in the shape of ice cream, which I'm like so excited about, and I'm really glad this is blue and not pink. I do like pink, but I somehow like blue more. As you can see, things in my room are blue. I really like mint blue, sky blue and all those. So yeah, there's a cute keychain here. Okay, there's a cute keychain here. I think I'm gonna give this to my baby niece. I'm definitely gonna start using this right away, like from tomorrow itself. Next up, the next product which I'm again very excited about. Since it's the bestsellers edition, I thought most likely there's nothing gonna go wrong with this one, and I love everything. So this is a jewelry box. I already checked their page. It says it's the little things in life and it's a jewelry box like this. I don't think this one comes out, but yeah, you can put your rings and other jewelry things and all that. I think this will come very handy when you're traveling, and you tend to take a lot of accessories, right? At least like I love accessories, and whenever we're traveling it's a big pain to actually carry them, so I think this will be a good option. And even when you have them lying around in the house for all those dainty pieces, this is going to be really useful. Next up, one more thing which I'm excited about is this, probably a clutch. Is this a clutch? Yeah, a small clutch which says Girl Boss, and I think they have them in different colors, and it has a butterfly on the front, and it is actually quite spacious. I think I can easily fit my phone into this and maybe slip in some cash here as well, but it doesn't have a zipper. I'm not sure if it's actually a wallet or is it a sunglasses case, but I think you can use it for both. You can totally store your sunglasses as well. But I think I'm gonna use it for my phone because I find it really difficult to carry my phone and I keep dropping it. So I think I can use it for my phone and maybe basic cash. And then next we have this bag, and this is that embroidered bag. There's few things in this. I think these are the earrings, and what are these? Oh, these are highlighter markers. I was under the impression that it was gonna have sticky notes for some reason. So that's it. There's Phantom sweet cigarettes, and I used to be obsessed with these as well when I was a kid, when I was in school. I think a lot of people were. I used to obviously put the lipstick part of it. If you don't know what I'm talking about. So this is the mint part. Okay, I broke it, but this is the mint part, and obviously I would use this as lipstick, and I would go back into the class after lunch break. And there was one time when my teacher actually asked me to leave, like go clean your lips and come back. It actually happened. I was thrown out of the class for that. I think I was lipstick obsessed by then itself, man. Let me know in the comments below, were you guys also into these Phantom sweet cigarettes? Did something like that happen to you as well? Did your mom or teacher or somebody catch you when you used this as lipstick? It has these tassels as well, so very pretty bag. These embroider bags are so in now and I really like it. Actually, I was expecting a blue or pink or some other color. I'm not sure what all colors they have, but I think it's random. I don't think we can select them. But brown also looks quite nice. I'm not very fond of brown generally. Brown is actually very formal, so I generally don't tend to like brown bags, but since this has embroidery and these tassels, I think this is going to be something really nice to carry, like when you're just heading out for brunch and stuff, and it'll actually go with every outfit. We have these earrings. This is actually a very nice statement piece. But last two boxes which I got had tassel earrings, but they were slightly different. They had silver and tassels, which I did have, like I do have some pieces like that, but this one's very different. It has these wooden blocks and tassels, and again, I don't think I have anything in brown. I do have one in gold, I think. I'm not really sure, but yeah, this is quite a statement piece and it's very unique. We have the straw from the bottle, and the last thing that we have is obviously a clothing item, and this time it's a t-shirt, and it's actually quite long, and it says "Pizza is my BFF." That's what it says, and it's quite a long t-shirt. So those are all the things in Sugarbox's Bestsellers edition, and this has to be my favorite definitely, and then this one. I don't think there's anything that I don't love in this box. Probably I would have liked a different color in this because I'm not, again, like I said, I don't love neutral shades. Grey is not something that I love, and this, of course, I can give it to my baby niece, but generally I'm not super fond of like soft toys or such keychains. But apart from that, I think everything is absolutely amazing. You can totally use these to highlight your when you're making notes for something. It's been a long time since I've used highlighter markers, but this is gonna be fun. I somehow, like when I saw the website, I assumed they were sticky notes, but anyway, I think this is pretty cool too. So let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite, and if you've tried this one or any other boxes from Sugarbox, and if you haven't, definitely try them out. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and if you want me to review any other subscription boxes or any particular edition from Sugarbox. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on any videos. I do a lot of fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos, and I'll also leave my social media handles at the end of the video. You can find me there as well, and you can stay in touch, and also you can see a lot of updates there. See you all in the next video, guys. Bye.